Hi, I'm Mohammed. I'm currently a University of Alberta student in Canada, and I'll be presenting our startup idea, Flare. Wildfires are rapidly escalating. In 2024 alone, North America faced nearly 65,000 fires. Over 8.9 million acres were lost, along with homes and countless lives. Existing solutions such as satellites, drones, human patrols are just too slow, expensive, or limited in coverage. The problem is only getting worse, with wildfires increasing with climate change, heat waves, and human activity. The longer we take to detect a wildfire, the more destruction it causes. In the US alone, wildfires cause between 400 to 900 billion dollars in damages annually. We desperately need an early detection system that's faster, scalable, and cost effective. That's where FLARE comes in. FLARE is a sensor designed as a rock that's made from biodegradable materials. When temperatures exceed 50 degrees, the pod activates and sends an alert via high-frequency radio waves. Because it only uses power when activated, the battery lasts up to 30 years with no maintenance needed. The bimetallic strip only bends under heat, completing the circuit and activating the sensor. So no power is needed until a wildfire occurs. This helps batteries last decades. Here's our prototype flare in action. As seen in the video, once activated, Flare transmits key real-time data such as its location, temperature, time, fire intensity, and other key information to responders, alerting emergency services instantly. Since the pods are very small and lightweight, they can easily be deployed via drones or firefighting helicopters to be scattered across the forest floor. Flare's casing is made of biodegradable composites and natural rubber, making it safe for animals and the environment. It helps protect vulnerable communities, reduces risk for firefighters, and most importantly, prevents wildfires, which release billions of tons of CO2 annually and contribute significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. Our target buyers are governments, forestry agencies, and parks. The global wildfire detection market is projected to hit $1.26 billion by 2032. Our pod would only cost $15 to make and would be sold for $50 with a 70% gross profit margin to help scale our business. The cover radius for 100 hectares would need approximately 3,500 pods, generating $175,000 in revenue, plus recurring income through our subscription model for the processing and transmission of key data. We've already secured interest and are in talks with the municipality of Jasper for a $2.5 million pilot project. We've also recently won first place at Schulich Startup's National Business Pitch Competition and were named as one of 2025's most promising innovations. Our business model is scalable, recurring, and data-rich, unlocking long-term value through AI-powered wildfire prediction and future upselling opportunities. Unlike satellites or drones, Flare needs absolutely no maintenance, no infrastructure, and costs a fraction of the price. It lasts up to 30 years, activates instantly, and is the fastest way to detect wildfires and stop them before they become a disaster. At just $50 per unit, Flare is one of the most cost-effective wildfire detection tools on the market. I'm Mohammed Sharif, founder and CEO of Flare with a background in fire suppression technology, and with me is Amin Naqvi, an engineering researcher specializing in sensor design. Wildfires are preventable. Flare can save money, forests, and most importantly, lives. Join us in stopping the fire before it starts. Invest in Flare.